वेळसाव डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचो प्रश्न एका म्हयन्यात सुटावो करतले अशें पर्यावरण मंत्री आलेक्स सिक्वेरान सांगलें. लोकांच्या मनांत उप्राशिल्लो भंय आनी चिंता लक्षांत घेवन मुख्यमंत्र्यान हो विशय सुटावो करपाक सांगिल्ल्याचें मंत्री आलेक्स सिक्वेरान सांगलें. वेळसाव डबल ट्रॅकिंग संदर्भात संबंदीत अधिकाऱ्यां वांगडा बसका घेवन सगळ्या मुद्द्यांचेर चर्चा केल्ल्याचें मंत्र्यान सांगलें.
Regarding the laying of the, what do I say, double track at Valsam area, there has been expressions of anxiety, grievances of people that we have come across in the newspapers. So the Honorable Chief Minister has asked me to see how best we can resolve the issue. So today I have sat with the concerned officers and I have studied the matter. I don't think there is a major issue. I believe it can be resolved within the next maximum 30 days. There's been certain process that has to be followed, which was not really followed, or there's been a delay in that. So, for example, mutation was just done few days in the name of Southwestern Railways. Now the next process is to get the updation of the survey plans, which in turn would mean partition the land acquired by them and the land that is remaining of the existing owners. So once that is done, then I think it will be clear. You know what is acquired, you know what is demarcated, what has been acquired by them and what is the balance area available. I believe demarcation will be done maximum within 1 month. It is tentatively fixed for 20th December and could continue to 21st December. But I can assure that on 20th we will do the demarcation. Thus clarity, once again as I said, there will be clarity on what you own and what Southwestern Railways own.